Jet 11 Stars president in the house.
Excited ako kasi ano kaya ang sabon para hindi na disappear ang paglalag.
Love me to disappear.
Yes!
Proud me here, my love me to disappear. Grabe po support. Siyempre, sinusupport natin nila dahil mayroong special participation dito. Si Pia, tsaka si JM. So thank you so much for supporting the movie. Such an honor and a responsibility.
Wow! Responsibility!
Kaya sila dito sa stage para makausap natin sila.
More
Next, alamin natin, ano ba yung ina-expect nila sa JM Pia movie na to? I heard na sa ang dito. Ayan, nandito si Jazz. Ayan, nandito sa stage. Okay. We'll wait for you guys. And our love for you guys will not be
Mag-a-appear na ang supporting
Yes, their love is appearing. Appear. Disappear.
Oh!
And Colette. Ayan. Go, Rama girls. It's your moment. Wow. DVD Jet 11 Stars president in the house.
Excited ako kasi ano kaya ang sabon para hindi na disappear ang paglalag.
Tingnan natin kung mawawala yung sumpa na nakahalik siya.
Ano kaya gagawin sa tao mo? Yung gano'n mo?
Parang meant to be single na lang ako. Kung may meant to be together, may meant to be single, meant to be single na lang ako. Kung may hahalikan ako, hindi disappear lang din. Charis. Pero tingnan natin, ano yung magbago yung karma, may karma yung ang sumpa.
Let's ask hello, baby. Enjoy the celebrity sa stage. Thank you so much for coming and so
Ayan, welcome na po natin. We have Jazz, Colette, Reed, Pan. Ayan.
want to ask you guys.
Ayan, bakit muna sila dito sa mga tao sa
Please
SM.
invite
Corey.
Oh, Mama Morgana, what's one love will make you disappear? Kasi it's amazing, it's exciting. We did much of this, so what's with us? Come on!
This is our first time at the premiere, so we're excited to see it. Hopefully, you guys are excited to see it as well. And enjoy!
Excited akong makita.
Excited ako makapanood. Yes, so tomorrow is March 26th, so please do watch. We're excited as you are, so thank you so much.
Of course, what can you expect dito sa mga kaibigan mo?
Yes, nandito si
Bianca,
JM, tsaka si Fiang. Ano yung na-expect nyo?
Oh, exciting talaga! Wow!
Well, excited ka si Reed, guys. Pero thank you so much for coming. Thank you so much for your support. So my love will make it disappear. Ayun. Once again, the PBB Gen 11 stars, Rain, Kai, Colette, and Jazz. And syempre, we have Shania.
Wrong season, pero malapit na.
Yes. Ayan, picture mo na sila. Go. Ako sama daw ang Kim Pao.
Thank you so much. We'll see you guys inside.
Thank you guys. See you later.
Yeah, so you can see how supportive talaga they are for their friends.
Ayan.
Kaya gusto ko rin din malaman kung anong character si Jen Apiang dito. Ano kaya?
Ano siya? Remarkable. And pasado. Yes, ayun. Sir Mark Lopez, hello po. Welcome po.
Yes! Andito na si Sir Mark.
Sir Jamie Lopez. Ayan. Sir Mark, hello po. Good evening po.
Miss
Layo masyado eh, okay lang ba?
Good evening po at welcome.
Kaya may kapalit to ha.
Of course, do not forget to post using our official hashtags, my love will make you disappear, and hashtag MLWNYT. The world premiere. Di ba talaga?
Yes. Spelling.
Oh, MLWNYT.
Yes.
The world premiere.
Sir Danny from Showtime. Showtime family. And umakyat na nga po. I heard umakyat na nga po ang cast ng My Love Will Make You Disappear. Kaya anytime soon, ilang minutes na lang, nandito na sila. Kaya i-ready nyo na yung mga banners nyo at cellphone nyo.
Yes! Ready na ba kayo? Isa pa! Ready na ba kayo? Malapit na! For ang premiere ng My Love
Wala akong job pwede.
in a few minutes.
Manood kayo para hindi na ako manonood eh.
Sir Danny, welcome from Showtime family.
May
Ayan.
mga apat na lima siya eh.
I just want to look high and invite everyone here to please watch My Love Will Make You Disappear. Thank you so much for joining.
Congratulations sa lahat ng cast ng My Love Will Make You Disappear. Andito sila, nakita ko sila sa baba. Ready na ba kayo? Kahit sila na yung picture nyo, huwag na ako. Rock and roll.
Thank you po. Enjoy po the movie. Ayan. Kompleto ng Showtime family. Diyos ko. Okay, so sinabi na nga po,